Hello students, today's topic is versatile nature or unique nature of carbon. Now carbon element is having a unique nature and a versatile nature due to which it forms a very large number of compounds and a separate branch of science, that is organic chemistry, is there for the study of carbon and its compounds. Now the question is, why is carbon having a versatile nature? Now, the reason behind the versatile nature or the unique nature of carbon is its tetravalency and its property of catenation. Now, what do we understand by this tetravalency? That carbon shows a valency of 4 and it can share its 4 valence electrons with 4 other atoms of different elements so as to attain octet, right? And catenation is self-linking property of carbon atoms to form long chains. So this is also one of the reasons that why there is so much variety of carbon compounds. When we talk about catenation or the self-linking property of the carbon to form chains, then the chains are of different types. It can be a straight chain like here. So carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are self-linked with carbon-carbon single bonds and the bonding is in the form of a straight chain. Now, the same 6 carbon atoms can also exist in the form in which the chain is not straight but it is branched. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then again there is one more type which we say cyclic or closed. For example, we have cyclohexane. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms which are linked together with single bonds. And one more thing is there, that there can be ringed compounds with alternate single and double bonds, and we have an aromatic compound, that is benzene. Okay, so we also represent benzene as this. So due to this property of catenation, tetravalency, carbon can form very large number of organic compounds. The other property of carbon is its tendency to show isomerism. Now, what do we understand by isomerism? Dear students, isomerism means the property of organic compounds to have same molecular formula or chemical formula but different structural formulae. So this phenomena in which organic compounds have same chemical or molecular formula but have different structures is called isomerism, and the different structures are called isomers. For example, I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms. So this compound and this organic compound both can be represented by the chemical or the molecular formula, that is C4H10, right? But both have different structures. So these two are the isomers and this phenomena is called isomerism. So due to tetravalency, catenation, isomerism, there are very large number of organic compounds. Now isomers, they have different physical as well as chemical properties due to the difference in the arrangement of the carbon atoms. Right here, one thing is to be noted, that the isomerism is only shown by those organic compounds in which the carbon atom is not less than 4. If there are, three carbon atoms, let us say ethane or propane, then they will not show isomerism. Now, if we further talk about isomerism, isomerism is also of different types. So, in your CBSE syllabus, the types of isomerisms are not there, right? So, now, why the elements which are there along with carbon in group 14 like silicon, germanium, tin, lead, why don't they show versatile nature? The reason behind this is that yes, they are having tetravalency, but silicon can show catenation to some extent, that is, the silicon can have chains up to 4 or 5 silicon atoms, but not more than that. So what is unique about carbon? That it can form, very long chains, and there can be n number of carbon atoms. The reason here is small size of the carbon atom. Owing to the small size of carbon atom, the distance between the nucleus and the bonded pairs of electrons is not very large. As we know, the nuclear force is a weak force which is always attractive in nature. So, owing to the small size of the carbon atom, it can form very long chains, and the carbon-carbon bonds are very strong bonds. Thank you so much. I hope you must have understood the topic of versatile nature of carbon.